Hello guys! Do you love teddy? Today we'll teach you how to make a teddy at home. First you need a cloth, a scissor and a printed teddy. Cut the outline of teddy like this. Now it's almost over. Now we can keep it on a folded cloth and secure it with pins so it can't move here and there. After securing, you can start cutting the cloth. Give a little space from the outline. After cutting, this is how it looks. Now we can start stitching the outline with a machine or a needle with hand. Thanks for our Sandeshi for stitching this for us. After completing the stitching, you have to remove the paper. While stitching, keep a space for filling cotton. And turn the cloth to its right side. After that, it would be looking like this. Then you can fill some cotton inside the teddy. We have used cotton of pillow. For making him handsome, we tied a ribbon on his neck. Of course, he needs eyes, nose, ears. We give him eyes, nose, ears with cloth. And our handsome teddy is ready. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye.